Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons, and this week we're going to learn the power chord D. So to play the power chord D, you're going to use fingers 1, 3 and 4 again. The same pattern as you learned with chord A, you're going to use with chord D as well. So all you're going to do now is move one string lower. So go to string number 5, to the A string, the 5th fret, place finger number 1. Finger number 3 on the 7th fret, on the 4th string, the D string, and press down. Number 4, once again right underneath number 3, mute the bottom 2, and now you can use finger number 2 just to come over and mute the top one. So it sounds something like this. That's D. So now I know 2 of the power chords. You already know A, and you just learned power chord D. So keep on practicing D and start practicing switching between A and D. Go slow. Go to D. Back to A. Back to D. So practice to mute the strings that are not in use. Practice it over and over and over again. It's going to keep on getting easier and easier as we keep on learning the other chords as well. Click subscribe, hit the bell, follow on Instagram, and keep on learning.